Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into shopify.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information and several information, and let's get started. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify drop that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So first of all you have to do is just go to apply now and you just click over it. Once you do that, you will find this page. You have here the sign up with email. You write your first name, your last name, your username, then your email address, your password, and your mobile phone. Also, you choose your country and you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is how would you categorize your business. You have to select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. First of all, we have social influencer here, content and reviews. Also, we have loyalty, rewards, and we have here deal and coupons, email newsletter. You have search and comparison. Then we have network here, technology solution, cross audience monetization. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find this page, add social. You can add more than one or accounts from each type of social platforms. We have, for example, Instagram, Facebook, we have X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, Weibo. So once you choose the one you want, you will find other page which is just about yourself. So you have here individuals. You click over it and you write your account display name, then your country and your region, then you write your first street address and your second street address, then you write your city, your zip code, and also time zone here and currency. And if you choose your company, write your account display name, your company website, your LinkedIn company web page, and country and region. Then we have the first street address, the second street address, your city, your zip code. Then we have time zone here, currency, and you click over summarize and you get started with it. So right now we have you become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. So we have here two ways to refer and earn. The first one, Shopify plan refers, get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have your Shopify Plus Pro referrals, earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. Then if we scroll down, we have your thousands of affiliates from across the globe. We have here we are committed to success. About the first one, content creators, course educators, influencers, and review sites are helping their audience launch successfully businesses on Shopify while earning competitive referral commissions and elevating themselves as leaders in the industry. Then you have you are committed to success will help you make the most referrals possible with resources to support your content development and assess your referral traffic's conversion rate. Get access go to our library of global creative with image education and lead magnet and detailed performance insights to your personal dashboard. Then we have your frequently asked questions. For example, what is the Shopify affiliate program? So here we have Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach the audience about entrepreneurship. Shopify. Then we have your what requirements do I need to meet to apply. To apply, you must firstly own and run an active website. Then have an established audience, create original and content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then we have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. Then the last one, have read and agreed to the Shopify partner program agreement. Then we have also other questions here. For example, what are Shopify's brand guidelines? What information can I track about merchant offers? How does payment work? What is the commission structure? How are referral tracked? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How will I know if my application is accepted? And this is how it works. So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each one. So the first one, we have here YouTube. So we have here this person show and explain how you can get top 10 Shopify dropshipping products for February. So if you scroll down in the comments below, you will find here his link. Once you click over this link, he will get a commission. So this is the system of Shopify. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and build trust by producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos. You can showcase the benefits for various products sold to Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. So this is how it works with YouTube. Then we have here TikTok also. So in TikTok, you have just to drive on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your pro link to direct followers to your affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify Friends to increase visibility. The platform's viral nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate links. So this is TikTok. Then we have here Instagram also. So Instagram is perfect for visually showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. By utilizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliate links, so experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.